my goodness. We were down in the kitchen making chop, and I had to rinse something off, and he started jumping in there. So I got him a clean bowl and some water, and nice cold water like he likes. Oh goodness, are you gonna go back in? Hi, you gonna go back? Hop back in. Go get in. You're so cute. Come on, baby, step up. Come on, Mama Laura. No, step up. Good boy. We'll go back. Oops, okay. There you go. You want your bath? Here you go. Good boy. Yay. You splashed half the water out. My goodness, sir. Yay. Oh my goodness. Good thing there's no soap in here. No soap. Oh goodness. What a cutie. Good boy. Are you done? Oh no? Okay. Would you like a little bit of water? I don't know. I've never done this for you. Some of my birdies like this. Oh yeah. What do you think? It's right next to you. Yeah. Oh. Like your own personal waterfall, little fountain. Oh, Remi, take a shower. Oh, goodness, what a dirty boy you must be. Oh, he's such a dirty boy. You're the cutest thing. Somebody adopt Remi. He's adorable. Look at this boy. Love you, buddy. Oh, my goodness, Remi. Oh, my goodness, friend. Wow, making chop and doing dishes just got more interesting with Remi. Silly goose.